Yeah, this week USOIL Technical Analysis. Okay, I can keep this one. I can clear all these things first. Clear all these things. Yeah, this week also. So what we expected is it went up, then it not came down because of this war situation and all. Yeah. From if I take Fibonacci from year to year, suppose. Yeah. See, this week also maybe it can drop from year to year, maybe because of tonight any Trump statement or war or situation and all. Yeah, it will come around this zone. Otherwise, if you go a little bit up, then it will fall. Any sale setup is better, US oil. Okay, any sale setup is better. Thank you. And one more thing, my statement is no setup, no trade, and look for the any fundamental news regarding the war and all. Then based on this one, the US oil will follow. Okay, thank you.